Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's sure to make some noise. Literally. We're talking about the PATIKIL 9inch cowbells, a bulk pack of 12 that promises to bring the ruckus to any event. Right out of the box, you'll notice their convenient size. Measuring about 7.5 by 5 by 23 centimeters, or roughly 3 by 2 by 9 inches, these cowbells are perfectly portable. They're designed to be easy to hold in your hand, or even hang around your neck if you're really getting into the spirit of things. And while this particular set comes in a sleek black, it's worth noting that they are available in a variety of bright colors to match any team or theme. Now let's talk about what these are made of. Each cowbell is crafted from sturdy iron, and the surface is treated with a special baking paint. This isn't just for looks, it makes them waterproof and non-rusting, ensuring they're built to last. You won't have to worry about them fading, cracking, or rusting even after long-term use, which is fantastic for something you'll be shaking vigorously. Plus, they come with a comfortable handle, making them easy to grip during those intense cheering moments. And of course, the most important part for a noisemaker, the sound. When you give one of these a good shake, it produces a wonderfully loud and crisp sound. The metallic collision is genuinely pleasant and definitely grabs attention. Whether you're at a football game, a hockey match, or even a marathon, these cowbells will ensure your presence is heard loud and clear. But these aren't just for making noise. They're also a fantastic canvas for creativity. The smooth surface of each cowbell is perfect for DIY projects. You can personalize them with permanent markers, decorate them with rhinestones, or even paint your own designs using acrylic paint and a sealer. Imagine tying on a ribbon or hooking a light-up lanyard to create unique party favors or personalized gifts. It's a brilliant way to add a personal touch to any celebration or event. Their versatility is truly impressive. Beyond sporting events and cheering, these cowbells find their place in so many scenarios. Think farm use, adding a rustic charm to weddings, getting the crowd hyped at concerts, or simply making some joyful noise at family gatherings. The possibilities are really endless, making them a great addition to any event planner's toolkit or just for someone who loves to celebrate loudly. So if you're looking for a durable, loud, and customizable way to make some noise and show your spirit, the PATIKIL 9inch cowbells are definitely worth checking out. They're built to last, sound great, and offer a fun opportunity for personalization. They're a fantastic bulk option for anyone needing a reliable noisemaker for multiple occasions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.